Oh, morning.
Yes, in theaters everywhere.
You hungry? Hey, Beck.
Oh, cheated, but get in with some big ones.
I wonder why.
There you go, Tongs.
Oh, show grandma.
Right, Tongs.
Betty, show your titties. Betty, show your
That's
titties.
some good titties, Butchie.
Mama will go with you when I'm bad.
Oh,
Show your titties, Betty, show your titties.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's so good.
Look, Tanya, take a picture.
Let's take you some cookies, yeah. I mean, some candy.
No, take him a whole bag. That's for him.
That's,
It comes fun.
that's for the candy there.
no, that's not for you. You got a whole bag.
No, that's for Hood.
Grab him.
Oh, yeah.
Hug that. Hug Fun Bye.
Bye, beans.
Alright, see you later.
He'll get that open, yeah.
Wait,
He'll get
what
that
you
open
do
and
with
eat it.
Becky?
This was saying the car where I go, Mama, it's gonna be easier for me to go straight from there home than it is to go all the way back to Jimmy's. You know? Well, he's
What you watching?
right. It's 30 degrees outside.
She'll bite.